Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you how to solve GCSE question of HCF and LCM. Questions in index form. Solution. We write 2 raised to the power of 4 times 3 raised to the power of 3 times 5. Then we write 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3 raised to the power of 4 times 5 raised to the power of 3. Therefore, HCF is equal to, consider the numbers in index form. Here is where we have the smallest number of 2, which is this. So we write it out 2 raised to the power of 2 times, we consider 3. Where do we have the smallest number of 3? We have the smallest number of 3 here. The power of 3 here is 3. Y here is 4. Then we pick 3 raised to the power of 3. Then we look for where we have the smallest number of 5, which is here. Then we write times 5. Then if we expand this will give us 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. And when we multiply, we have 540 as the answer. Then we consider LCM. In this case, we have the highest number of 2 to be here. We write 2 raised to the power of 4. And we have the highest number of 3 here. We write times 3 raised to the power of 4. And we consider 5. We have the highest number of 5 here. We write times 5 raised to the power of 3. Then when we multiply out, we have 2 times 2 in 4 places, times 3 in 4 places, and times 5 in 3 places. And when we multiply this, we are going to have 162,000. That is 162,000 as the answer. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.